Hi, I'm Emma from Patent 5 Distillery. Today I'm going to show you how to make the mint gun. The mint gun is going to be a really nice drink to have on a hot day, nice and refreshing, with a little bit of tropical and citrus notes. Very easy to drink and delicious. Mint gun is going to be a minty sour beverage. It's going to have a Patent 5 Elettaria Spiced Gin. This gin is lightly spiced with cardamom and cinnamon, and it's one of our customers' favorites here at Patent 5. So the mint gun, we're going to add in 1.5 ounces of our Patent 5 Elettaria gin, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We're going to have 3/4 ounces of peppermint schnapps and 0.5 ounces of simple syrup and 1/4 ounce of lime juice, and then a dash of Peychaud's bitters. We're going to add that all into our cocktail shaker and give it a nice hard shake for 10 seconds. And then we're going to strain it off into our chilled coupe, and we're going to garnish with a mint leaf. And there you have it, the mint gun.
Hi, if you enjoyed these cocktails, feel free to check us out at patent5.ca. You can find the spirits and the ingredients for those cocktails online, or if you happen to be in the neighborhood in the Exchange District in Winnipeg, we're at 108 Alexander Avenue.